Hi, good morning. My name is Rio. I'm a endodontist from Jakarta. Today I'm going to share with you another clinical case report of how I do finish the single visit endodontic retreatment because this case had been treated by another operator before she came to me, but the canal was still dirty and the patient still experiences discomfort, so that she managed to came to my office and having a dental treatment with me. What's so special about this case is that first, the canal was so dirty. It means that the previous endodontic treatment was not done correctly. Second, the MB1 and the MB2 canal were joined or connected, so I need to finish cleaning all of the root canal walls before I commence to do a proper operation to this case. And then this case had a 6 months control, so that you can see the boundary duration exists following a single visit endo. And 4, this case had a crown placed by my friend. As you can see, the crown placed perfectly fit, as you can see from the X-ray, final X-ray, which has a good margin of adaptation between the crown itself and the tooth structures. So guys, I hope that this video is useful for you, particularly when you are dealing with such cases. This video itself is supposed to be used as educational purpose only. If you have any other question, please ask to my Instagram DMs or just write your question below at the comment section. So that's all for today, and thank you very much for watching. Stay happy, stay super, stay awesome, stay with me in this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. God bless you all. Bye-bye.